atmospheric water. This is in the form of water vapor, therefore it is not used. Now next, ocean water. This type of water is mainly used for transport and fishing industries. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean are in the west, east and south of India respectively. So dear children, we can understand there are 4 types of water. First, surface water, groundwater, atmospheric water and ocean water. Now uses of water. So water is used for drinking, irrigation, power generation, transport, domestic purposes, recreation, etc. Major use of water is for irrigation. We are using water for irrigation since ancient time. There are 3 major sources of irrigation. First is canals, wells and tube wells and tanks. Now problems and conservation of water resources. Water resources problems are multifaceted. They pertain to availability, use, quality and management. At the time of independence, sufficient water was available for irrigation and industries, but now due to population growth it is insufficient. Southern India experiences water scarcity in summers, whereas it is not so in rainy season. The availability of water resource depends on power supply in the region which are irrigated by tube wells. Therefore, rational utilization, conservation and management of water resource has become necessary. In view of the limited availability of water, it is increasing demand and its uneven availability, it has become imperative to conserve the water resources. Following 3 steps are essential in this direction: to collect the rainwater and stop it from draining off. Scientific management of the water resources of all the river watersheds, minor to major. Prevention of water resource from pollution. So dear children, there are 4 types of water. We can find surface water, groundwater, atmospheric water and oceanic water. Surface water which is found in rivers, pond and lakes. Groundwater which is we can dig and take, we can irrigate and take groundwater. And then atmospheric water which is in the gas form. And next is ocean water which is we can find out these in the seas like Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Sea, etc. So now uses of water. So as we all know, the water is uses in the many ways like drinking, irrigation, domestic purposes, power generation, etc. etc. Not for only human being, also for all living beings the water is very useful. 3 major sources of irrigation: canals, wells and tube wells and tanks. So these are the uses of water. Now problems and conservation of the main problem of the water scarcity is population growth, and the second one is the waste of water. So we can save water by stopping the population growth, and also we can save water by wasting of water. We can save if we will not waste water, then we can save the water. So therefore the water is very important, so we can conserve it from so many ways like we can collect rainwater, we can use the water and scientific management in scientific ways, and we can save water, we can prevent water from pollution.